to simple instructions of how to adjust your new Orthopaedic chair. Once seated into your chair, the front right hand lever on the right hand side, if you lift it, you will be able to adjust the seat up and down. The correct height is to adjust your seat so your feet flat to the floor with your knees slightly below your pelvis. Once in this position, you have the option on the left hand side to extend the seat so that you get a greater deal of support behind the back of the knee. The ideal distance is approximately 2 fingers or a minimum of 1 inch. The lever is located on the left. Lift the lever and slide your bottom forward. This will extend the seat. The alternative way to do this is to stand out of the chair with your left hand on the back of the seat, right hand on the lever, and slide the seat backwards and forwards, releasing the lever where you want the seat to be. Once the seat is in the correct position, we are now in a position to adjust the back of the chair. The back is on a ratchet mechanism, and the mechanism will go up on separate clicks. Each click the chair will lock off on. To reset the back, go all the way to the top and back down to the bottom. The ideal position is when the lumbar area of the chair here is approximately on your belt line, in the small of your back. Once there, when you lean back, it should feel comfortable into the curve. Again, returning to the right hand side of the chair, we have the option to amend the back angle adjustment. The back can be left in a free floating position, or if desired, it can be locked off at any position. Ideally, your back angle should be approximately 80 to 85 degrees. One further option we do have on the chair is if you lift the lever, not the seat lift, but the lever in the middle, we can adjust the angle of the chair so that you can lock off in a reclined position, like so, and then independently adjust the back angle accordingly. It is up to yourself where you would like the seat to be. Most people would have it on a level so that it's sort of a 45 degrees angle to the floor. The final option on the seat is the height adjustable arms. Located on the left and the right hand side is the option to adjust the arm height. Ideally, you should not have the arms that high that it causes your shoulders to shrug. Your arms should be parallel to the floor and approximately the height of your desk, stroke your keyboard.